What's up, guys? Here with another video with Force Me Fat Hippo, and today we will be playing Aground. It's a game which you can find on the website armorgames.com, and as you can see, I've already started an island, but today we'll be starting a new one. So let's get into it. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go random. Boom, dude. Not like that. Alright, man, close my eyes and see. Alright, there it is. Alright. Alright, what's going on? We're drowning? Why was I asleep while I was drowning? Okay. I'm kind of nervous right now. So cold and tired. Shelter, but there's nothing but fallen branches. I can barely hold all this wood. It'll take more stamina to move now, but I can't stop here. I need to find shelter. What is this structure? It looks like someone stopped in the middle of making a shelter. I bet I could finish it with 8 wood. Okay. Accept. Alright. Not bad at all. I wonder who began building the structure and why they stopped. It looks pretty recent. Help! Please. Shelter. Someone is outside. Can I trust them? Yes. Thank you. I owe my life. I had all but given up hope. I was too tired and hungry to finish the shelter. But what do we do now? For now, we stay warm and dry. What? How are you hungry? You're eating a giant piece of meat. But what about after that? How will we survive on this deserted island? Is there even a point? If you're stuck here, there's no going back. Yes, we can try. Maybe life here won't be as bad as you think it will. Okay. Z. You really expect me to be able to survive out here? It's hopeless, man. You're not building, right? What if we built something to store the resources and food we gather? Guess with 8 wood and 4 berries, I might be able to make a decent storehouse. Alright, so we need 8 more wood and 2 more berries. Take the stone axe if you're so gung-ho. Oops. New item discovered. Apples. Alrighty. Come here, boy. Got everything already? I'm impressed. Let's get this storehouse built. Where should we put it? Right there. Perfect. Look at that. Don't you feel accomplished? Yeah, actually this will be useless. Now we can avoid getting tired from carrying too much. We can quickly drop off all the extra weight by using the move all buttons and use Q to toggle stored items. Stored items will stay in your inventory when you hit move all. Alright, so these are my new skills. I mean the skills that I can get. We're gonna want a lot of stamina. Alright. What in the world? Bro, what in the world is that? Oh, I didn't realize there were other survivors. I've been underground. There's way more to this place than meets the eye. I've got an extra pickaxe if you want to check it out too. What are you waiting for? Just hold down to down and find those ores, okay? I'm the bossy, aren't you? Pretty sure, yep, there it is. So if I press Q, it'll stay in my inventory. V. It's pretty. This game is kind of close to, it's actually really close to Minecraft. It's kind of hard to see down here. Let's head back up. Maybe she'll have something for us. We need some more stamina and health. We're gonna use that. Good. Not too bad. Oh yeah, killed rats and got a level up. Yeah, alright. So, that. Just collecting some more resources. Now we gotta hurry up because we're running low on stamina. Stupid boar. Ah, another one. Another one bites the dust. Hey. Another one bites the dust. Bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Yeah, and another one gone. One gone. Another one bites the dust. Might get you. Another one bites the dust. Do 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 do. Find that, you bully. Why can't you do it yourself? What is this? It's like a cave. Do do do. Oh, it's a dead end. Builder added. Oh. Almost there. And these ores are heavy. And then we're gonna put it in our offhand. That way we can see near bites testing. What is that? Iron ore. Oh yeah, more. We need. All right. Let's get one more thing and then. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Alright. Like it's a worm. Oh no! Please don't hurt me. Alright, worms are basically like zombies in Minecraft. So, since we're introducing this new game, it's going to, it's basically just going to be the introduction and us getting started. Excuse me, I can't see. Where's him? Make sure to drop the muffin. Oh, I know what I need to do. Haha, rest in hut. So when I arrived here, I just started digging, didn't even realize there was a store. But I'm glad you're here. I was getting tired of eating dirt, and there's nothing like a warm fire after a long day underground. Do you think there are more survivors out there? Honestly, I'm surprised anyone survived that crash, but here we are, so maybe others survived too? Game saved. What do you want, lady? Oh my gosh. How's the digging going? Maybe we should build a smelter. Okay. Excellent. Great. Let me know. You have enough coal. This stuff, I should have a smelter up in no time. Perfect. The smelter can. Okay. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Are you kidding me? A wood was stolen from the store. So I want to create some iron bars. But I'm going to need fuel. It's easy to get caught. E and V. Let's eat stuff. Don't even know what I'm supposed to be doing right now. Man, I need to rest in the hut again? Game saved. Oh man, there's a farmer? I forgot about this dude. Come here, farmer. None of that's important. But we can create a farm. So